Eggs are laid by female animals of many different species, including birds, reptiles, amphibians, a few mammals, and fish, and many of these have been eaten by humans for thousands of years.
Benefits: eggs contain the highest quality protein.
Proteins are the building blocks of life, essential for the strength and repair of muscle and tissue.
Eggs improve levels of good cholesterol.
Eggs help increase high-density lipoprotein, HDL, levels, and this is one reason why eggs have been found to have little to no effect on heart disease risk. Whole eggs are among the most nutritious foods on the planet, containing almost every nutrient that you need.
Eggs are high in lutein and zeaxanthin, which are very important for eye health and can help prevent macular degeneration and cataracts.
Eggs are an excellent source of protein and contain all the essential amino acids. Getting enough protein in your diet is essential for building and repairing muscles, as well as to make up hormones and enzymes.
Possible side effects:
in general, eggs are a healthy, nutrient-rich food.
However, people with certain conditions or genetic predispositions may need to limit their egg intake.
The inside of eggs that appear normal can contain a germ called salmonella, especially if you eat raw or lightly cooked eggs. Illness from salmonella can be serious and is more dangerous for certain people.
Quantity recommendations: there is no recommended limit on how many eggs people should eat.
Eggs can be enjoyed as a part of a healthy, balanced diet, but it is best to cook them without adding salt or fat. Overall, eating eggs is perfectly safe, even if you're eating up to 3 whole eggs per day. Given their range of nutrients and powerful health benefits, eggs are considered one of the healthiest and nutrient-dense foods there is.